Hello and welcome to Maths with Raz. I'm your host, Mr. Raz. Today we're doing the quotient rule for differentiation, and this is the examples video. Yeah, you need to watch the lesson, then you need to follow the link for the lesson video within the examples in this one. Just crack on with it. Make a note of these if you don't already know it. Obviously, you can pause the screen, so I'm not going to pause for you. And let's get to example 1, 2, 3, and 4. So pause the screen, give these a go, and I'll catch you in a minute for the answers. Hello again. So let's go through number 1. So first things first, what's u? X squared. What is v? 9x to the minus 1. What does x squared differentiate to? 2x. What does 9x minus 1 differentiate to? 9. Boom. We got this formula in blue there. Let's sub it in. So v is 9x minus 1. U dashed is 2x. Yeah. And conversely, we have u is x squared and a v dashed is 9. Sub those in, job done. All we can do now is expand and group the terms. So doing so, we get that. No negative signs are really there to catch us out, but we know 18x squared minus 9x squared is 9x squared, so we can simplify. Boom. Obviously, I could factorise the numerator there, but I'm not, because the common mistake here would be for someone to do some sort of crazy cancelling. This is good. This shows that you've got the knowledge, yeah? We're not fine-tuned your exam skills, but hopefully you get here and we know that your knowledge is sound. So that's example 1 of 4. Let's do number 2. All right, this time we have u is ln. We have v is x to the 4. So u prime will be 1 over x. V prime will be 4x cubed. Bit of monkey see, monkey do here. Yeah, you can see the formula. Now you've got to do the formula. So we have x to the 4 times 1 over x minus ln x times 4x cubed. Well, we can probably neaten that up a little bit. And we get that. Hopefully you can see x to the 4 times 1 over x is x cubed. If not, just calm yourself, click pause and stare at it for a little bit. No, that wasn't a tip. So here I'm now going to factorise the x cubed out, and I get there. And then we know, we can see that x cubed divided by x to the 8 gives x to the 5 on the bottom. Yeah. So hopefully, again, you got that one. I'm guessing most of you got to this, the penultimate step. But for the full credit, you need the answer that's in blue. All right, let's go to number 3. This is nice, yeah? The only mistake will be when you differentiate e to 2x, you might forget the 2, yeah? So we get e to 2x differentiates to 2e to 2x, and x to the minus 1 differentiates to 1. So we sub those into the formula. So your x minus 1 times 2e to the x minus e to 2x times 1. And we can neaten that. Yeah, group terms and factorise. So I've grouped the terms. There. Well, if I factorise, there's a common factor of e to 2x, isn't there? I've got minus 2e to 2x minus e to 2x, which is minus e to 2x. So minus 3e to 2x. And I've got the 2x, e to 2x. Common factor is e to 2x. Long story short, I end up with e to the 2x times 2x minus 3e to 2x, which factorises the answer in blue. Yep. Again, if you're not sure of that, pause it, look through. That step from the penultimate step to the final one isn't a big one. Yeah, it's not a big leap. And then the final one, u is 1 plus x squared. And v is e to the 7x. So for some reason, I've done this totally wrong there. Let's hope, see if my answer's right. So v, yeah, v's the answer's right though. So we've got v u dashed minus u a v dashed. Yeah? Essentially, I've just got the letters the wrong way around. I'll probably edit a picture over that, so, and stick some GIFs in here. That's what GIFs are made for. Yeah. When my videos have a lot of GIFs, it just means I had a lot of errors. Also, you can't. Who doesn't like a GIF? Now we have to be careful, because when we expand, we have that naughty little negative sign to be careful of. Yeah. So I've kept it there. I've just expanded that double bracket, and then I'll deal with the negative. Yeah. So we've got to expand and simplify, factorise and cancel is the next job. So I've neatened it first before I factorised and cancelled. So I've got 2x e to the 7x minus 7e to 7x plus 7x squared e to 7x. So I've got like a quadratic with a common factor of e to the x. So I've taken the common factor of e to the x out. And I've been careful of the negative sign. So the negative sign will make everything in the brackets negative. But what will cancel down? Exactly. Yeah, once I factorise there, the e to the 7x will cancel. So let's watch this mad techers. Oh. Oh. Yes. Love it. Yeah. So we end up with negative 7x squared minus 2x plus 7 all over e to 7x. Hope that was useful. I've been Mr. Raz. See you soon.